When we first pulled up and first saw her in the driveway, it was like, oh, I think she's going to be the one. When you look at the Kombis, it's something that everybody loves, and when you're driving and things like that, the amount of thumbs up that you get.
It's a conversation starter, so it brings a lot of joy. You get to meet a lot of wonderful people and connect through the Kombi, which has brought us a lot of joy. Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Josh.
Hi, I'm Jett.
And the car we're sitting in is a 1969 bay window Kombi. It's a car that we've had now going on for 3 years, and it's been a passion of ours, and there's been a fair bit of work that we've done to it, and there's more to come. The Kombi does have a name, and her name is Indy, yes. She's a 1969 bay window. She's a low light, it's 1.6 litre, and she's been bored out now to a 1.8 litre. She's got a lumpy cam in her, and she's got a hot dog exhaust as well. I knew that she had some work to do and needed a little bit of TLC. Inside needed a fair bit of work. There was no roof lining in it, there was no glove box, or needed all new carpet throughout. There was no middle seat, but yeah, it was definitely the one. Just when you sit back and you get there and you have a look at it and you sit back and you appreciate and you go that we've actually done this as a family. What I did was I thought, well, number one, and the biggest task to do in this one would be the roof lining. So that was to source that from overseas. You can get parts that are made in different parts of the world, but the way to get it is actually get the ones that are actually made in Germany still. So if someone's starting out and renovating any type of car, I would say the number one thing is to do your research, whether it be through looking through magazines, going to car shows, or whether it be obviously going onto the internet as well. She's quite comfortable to actually drive. Don't get me wrong, it's sometimes when you're driving along the freeway and everything like that and you get a headwind and everything like that, the car pulls to the side and things like that. We take her to a lot of places. We go down to the coast a fair bit, we go down to Geelong, we go down to the Great Ocean Road, down to Anglesey. It's a car that you can just take anywhere.
I think for me, the iconicness is definitely about honouring the history and it shows evolution of where we've come to today. It's very iconic.
I'd say it's just the shape of it that allows that to be such an iconic, and you're driving along and you actually see the look on their face and you can actually see them, the mouthing, oh, look at the Kombi. I think it's a project that just keeps on going because you always look at it and you go, nah, I just want to go that extra step with it. I don't think it's something that you're going to ever stop doing.